In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of Traffic Rider on your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed, guys. And this is going to give you unlimited resources and no jailbreaker computer needed, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. No jailbreaker computer needed. It's super insane, guys. And it actually works. So if you like to play Traffic Rider, keep watching the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version onto your device. Which is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see in Traffic Rider, I'm super rich, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get a ton of resources completely for free. So what you want to do, guys, is go on your browser, and we're just going to hop over to this website called ZooMods. All right, so let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website where we can get this Traffic Rider hack. So once you're here, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Traffic Rider, and as you can see, it says Traffic Rider mod. So now you're all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out. It's super insane. So as you can see, guys, I'm just going to go over to the App Store and type in Traffic Rider, and as you can see, guys, if I type it in, you can see that it literally is so expensive, bro. Like, it is not even worth talking about. As you can see, when I go to in-app purchases, look at that, $19, $199. I mean, this is crazy, bro. So don't get involved in this whatsoever. It's not worth it at all. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. It's super insane. And if you like to play Traffic Rider, guys, you're going to love this. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool. And it actually works, guys. So in this video, you learned how to download the Traffic Rider modded version, guys, which is super crazy. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself because it actually works. I mean, this is insane, guys. I don't even know how they were able to do this, but be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. I mean, this is super cool. I haven't had any problems like jailbreaking or anything like that. You don't have to do any of that annoying stuff, to be honest, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. This actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So yeah, it's so awesome, bro. This actually works. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But have fun with your Traffic Rider hack. I mean, this is updated. It's super cool. So I'm gonna see you later and peace out.